Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn language of machine learning. That means you are going to learn different terms used in machine learning. This is very important to understand because unless you know these terms, you will not be able to talk machine learning with other project team members. And if you are new to machine learning, I strongly recommend you to not skip this lecture and go through it and understand different terms, because even in this lecture these terms are going to be used. So let's begin. What you see here is data. It's in tabular format. You must be very familiar with this kind of data because this is just data in Excel, right? This is the data of different apartments with bedrooms, bathrooms, den, address, latitude, longitude, and the price. When you are given such data, you will be asked to predict the price of these apartments based on these values given, like bedroom, bathroom, den, address, latitude, and longitude. So this is a problem statement you will get. You have this data and you are asked to predict the price of any apartment based on these attributes, these values. So let's begin. Let's understand how these terms are used in machine learning. What you see here on the right side, the price which you have to predict, it's called labels. And everything else, all other attributes provided to you to be able to predict that label, is called features. It is also called independent variables, predictors, and features. Likewise, the label is also called target, dependent variable, and prediction. All the feature values are also called observations, and if the feature values are like text values, they are called categorical variable. If they are numerical values like 1, 2, 3 and all those values, they are called numerical values. And in most of the cases, you have to convert the categorical variables to numerical variables before passing it to machine learning algorithms. Also, each feature value is, as you know, it is called observations. It is also called row, sample, instances, and observations. So there are different names given to same thing. And even during this training course, as well as during your projects, you will see different people using different terms for the same thing. They might call it rows, samples, instances, observations. They mean the same thing, that feature values. And all these values here, the feature side, they are going to be clubbed in something called feature matrix. When you pass this to machine learning algorithm, you will pass it as a feature matrix. And the target side, it will become target array. That's it. That's all you have to learn. Keep coming back to this lecture if you get confused with any terms used during this training. And I will say, take a printout of this picture and keep it with you so that you by heart all these terms. So you will never be confused when these terms are used during your project as well as during this lecture. Awesome. I will see you in next lecture.